You're scrolling on YouTube, and you find a video with 7.5 million views. You watch it, and it's just simple stickman animations. No crazy effects, nothing fancy. You open the channel, and it only has 17 videos, but 152,000 subscribers. So you open your laptop and create your own video. But your channel is new, so it gets 0 views. And even if it does get views, your channel isn't monetized, so you earn nothing from it. That's exactly why I prefer to purchase an already monetized channel, so you can start earning from your very first video. I've prepared a complete master prompt, which covers the entire workflow, from writing the script all the way to uploading the final video. Before starting the video, this platform is personally used by me and they sell organic accounts. If you're serious about YouTube, you should buy a monetized account first. Open Claude AI. As you can see, I'm using the free plan. Now go to this Notion file, and you'll find the master prompt there. Copy it and paste it into Claude. Make sure the model's effort is set to low, because setting it to high or max can quickly use up your free plan limit. Claude will study and master the niche, then give you 5 viral topic ideas. I like the second topic. Now Claude will start writing an engaging script. Once the script is ready, copy it. Go to ElevenLabs and paste the script in. If the script is too long for the regular editor, switch to Studio instead and paste the complete script there again. When you export it, the audio generation will begin. Wait a few moments, and once it's ready, download the file. Next, go to any audio-to-text website. Upload the audio file there and transcribe it. Make sure the transcription includes timestamps. These will help you sync visuals to specific parts of the script. Download the result as a TXT file. Upload that TXT file back into Claude. Claude will now generate a visual prompt for each timestamp in the script. Go to Flow for video generation. Switch to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose Omni Flash as the model. Set the duration to 4 seconds, then generate the clip. Repeat this same process for each remaining timestamp to generate all the other video clips.
The cold air keeps your food fresh. Let's look at your packaging choices. Should you use a bag or a box?
If you're looking for a completely free option instead, switch to image mode and select Nano Banana 2. Generate an image using the same prompt. Download the generated image. Then go to Meta AI, open Create. Upload that image along with the same prompt. And Meta AI will generate a video from it for free. It's not as polished as Flow, but for a free tool, it gets the job done. Now open CapCut and bring everything together. Add the video clips on top of the audio track and trim each clip to match its corresponding part of the script. Once that's done, your video is ready. At this point, we have a monetized channel and a viral style video, but we're still missing SEO and a thumbnail. Go back to Claude and type Next. When it asks if you want the final metadata, type Yes. You'll receive the video title, description, and tags. Then ask Claude to give you 3 detailed prompts for generating 3 different thumbnail options. Go back to Flow, switch to Image Mode, and choose Nano Banana Pro. Generate your thumbnails using those 3 prompts. Honestly, these thumbnails turn out incredible. Pair them with a monetized channel, and you genuinely have the tools to make real money on YouTube.